HSST Zoology 2018 Previous Year Question Paper Analysis Part 5. Question number 35. The technique used for opening partially blocked coronary vessels before they become totally occluded. Option A. Angiogram. Option B. EEG. Option C. Angioplasty. Option D. ECG. The answer is option C, angioplasty. Coronary angioplasty is a medical procedure in which a balloon is used to open a blockage in a coronary artery. Coronary artery narrowed by atherosclerosis. Question number 36. Thrombosis, in which coronary artery is related most frequently in myocardial infraction. Option A, left coronary artery. Option B, right coronary artery. Option C, left pulmonary artery. Option D, right pulmonary artery. The answer is option B, right coronary artery. Coronary thrombosis is most commonly caused as a downstream effect of atherosclerosis, a buildup of cholesterol and fats in the artery walls. The smaller vessel's diameter allows less blood to flow and facilitate progression to a myocardial infraction. Question number 37. Glands of Swammerdam's is associated with option A, reproductive system, option B, nervous system, option C, circulatory system, option D, muscular system. The answer is option B, nervous system. Glands of Swammerdam's are soft chalky mass of calcareous bodies found in the dorsal root ganglion of spinal nerve in frog. These form reserve supplies of calcium. Question number 38. Leaded cells are meant for the production of option A, testosterone, option B, progesterone, option C, estrogen, option D, aldosterone. The answer is option A, testosterone. Leaded cells are also known as interstitial cells of Leydig and are found adjacent to the seminiferous tubules of the testis. They produce testosterone in the presence of luteinizing hormone. Question number 39. During polymerization, the mismatched residues at the primer terminus is removed and the accuracy of DNA replication is done by option A, exonuclease, option B, DNA polymerase II, option C, DNA polymerase III, option D, DNA polymerase I. The answer is option D, DNA polymerase I. DNA polymerase I processes RNA primates during lagging strand synthesis and fills the small gaps during DNA repair reaction. The physiological function of polymerase I is mainly to support repair of damaged DNA, but it also contributes to connecting Okazaki fragments by deleting RNA primers and replacing the ribonucleotides with DNA. Okazaki fragments are short sequences of DNA nucleotides, approximately 150 to 200 base pairs long in eukaryotes, which are synthesized discontinuously and later linked together by the enzyme DNA ligase. Question number 40. A hormone which stimulates the activity of adenylcyclase and increases the cyclic AMP level. Option A, adrenocorticoid, option B, steroid, option C, catecholamines, option D, pituitary. The answer is catecholamines. Catecholamines are epinephrine and norepinephrine. In the blood, catecholamines target alpha and beta adrenergic receptors, a family of G protein coupled receptors. The adrenergic receptors utilize either cyclic adenosine monophosphate cyclic AMP or phosphoinositol second messenger system to activate ion channels that ultimately mediate the body's sympathetic response. Question number 41. Deficiency of thyroid hormone in adults causes the disease. Option A, Graves' disease. Option B, Gall's disease. Option C, Bisdow's disease. Option D, Addison's disease. The answer is option B, Gall's disease. Gall's disease, also known as myxedema, occurs due to deficiency of thyroid hormone in adults after the mental and physical growth is complete. Question number 42. The activated adenylcyclase serves as a biochemical amplifier and catalyzes the hydrolysis of ATP to AMP in the presence of option A, sodium plus and chlorine plus, option B, potassium plus and chlorine plus, option C, calcium 2 plus and potassium 2 plus, option D, calcium 2 plus and magnesium 2 plus. The answer is option D, calcium 2 plus and magnesium 2 plus. Question number 44. The Nobel Prize in Physiology in 1995 for the discovery concerned with the genetic control of early embryonic development was for option A, Nestlé and Weisskes, option B, Wolpert, option C, Jacob and Monod, option D, Lewis. The answer is option A, Nestlé and Weisskes. Question number 45. The homeotic genes of Drosophila included a 180 nucleotide sequences called the option A, torpedo, option B, homeodomains, option C, spatzel, option D, homeobox. The answer is option D, homeobox. Homeotic genes of Drosophila involved in a regulation of pattern of anatomical development. The homeobox corresponds to a 60 amino acids domains called homeodomain proteins. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe and press the bell icon.